Hello students, after studying the endorsement of the bill, we are going to come to the fourth case. We are going to study the fourth case of bill sent to the bank for collection. What do you mean by bill sent to the bank for collection? Holder of the bill can send the bill to the bank for collection. In business enterprises, a large number of bills receivable are received regularly, and it is difficult to remember to present various bills to different drawees on different due dates. In such cases, the drawer sends the bill to his or her bank, who will collect the amount of these bills on due date on behalf of the drawee. For this service, bank charges certain fee known as bank charges. अब इसका मतलब क्या हुआ, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. जो होल्डर है या ड्रॉवर है वह बिल्स को कहाँ पर भेज सकता है? बैंक के पास कलेक्शन के लिए. बिजनेस एंटरप्राइजेस के पास बहुत से बिल्स रिसीवेबल आते हैं, 10, 20, 30, 40 या 50, और समय समय पर जो बिल्स रिसीवेबल उनके पास आए हैं उनको रिमेंबर करना और कौन सी डेट को प्रेजेंट करना है, कौन से ड्रॉवी के पास प्रेजेंट करना है, द बिजनेसमैन में फॉरगेट. तो यह वरी से निकलने के लिए, यह चिंता से निकलने के लिए ड्रॉवर क्या कर सकता है? बैंक के पास बिल्स भेज सकता है कलेक्शन करने के लिए. और जैसे जैसे ड्यू डेट्स आएंगे, जो बैंक है वो ड्रॉवर के बिहाफ पर, ड्रॉवर के लिए कलेक्शन करेगा बिल्स की और उसके अकाउंट में पैसा जमा करते रहेगा. और जो भी काम बैंक करेगा उसके लिए उसके सर्विस चार्जेस लगेंगे, जिनको कि बैंक चार्जेस कहा जाएगा. दिस इज़ नोन एज बिल इज़ सेंट टू द बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन. तो बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन का मतलब क्या हुआ? समय समय पर जो बिल्स रिसीवेबल एक ड्रॉवर रिसीव करता है ड्रॉवी से, इंस्टेड ऑफ कीपिंग द बिल्स विद हिमसेल्फ, अपने पास में रखने की जगह पर वो क्या कर सकता है? बैंक के पास बिल्स भेज सकता है कलेक्शन के लिए. और ड्यू डेट्स पर बैंक ड्रॉवर के लिए कलेक्शन करेगा बिल्स का और ड्रॉवर के अकाउंट में वो पैसा जमा करते रहेगा. और जो भी सर्विस वो देगा या जो भी काम बैंक करेगा ड्रॉवर के लिए, उसके लिए बैंक चार्जेस लगेंगे. Drawer opens a temporary account for this purpose known as bills sent to bank for collection account. और अपने पास हिसाब किताब रखने के लिए वह एक टेम्पररी अकाउंट ओपन करेगा अपने पास, और उस अकाउंट को क्या कहेंगे हम? बिल सेंट टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट. दिस अकाउंट क्लोजेज ऑन द ड्यू डेट ऑफ द बिल. जैसे ही बिल्स का कलेक्शन होगा यह अकाउंट अपने आप बंद हो जाएगा. नाउ अंडरस्टैंड दिस फ्रॉम दिस चार्ट. The seller sells the goods, the buyer buys the goods. The seller becomes the creditor and buyer becomes the debtor. Creditor draws a bill of exchange and the debtor accepts the bill of exchange. The creditor becomes the drawer and the buyer becomes the drawee. The drawer can send this bill to bank for collection. अब जो ड्रॉवर के पास बिल्स रिसीवेबल है वो कहाँ पर भेजेगा? बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन के लिए. और ड्यू डेट पर बैंक यह बिल्स प्रेजेंट करेगा, बैंक प्रेजेंट करेगा यह बिल्स ड्रॉवी के पास, और ड्रॉवी के पास से कलेक्शन करने के बाद बैंक ड्रॉवर के अकाउंट में वह अमाउंट जमा कर देगा. इन दिस वे दिस प्रोसीजर इज़ नोन एज बिल सेंट टू द बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन एंड कलेक्टेड ऑन ड्यू डेट. Now we will understand this from the journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. What entries the drawer will write and what entries the drawee will write. The drawer sells the goods, the drawee buys the goods. The drawer draws a bill, the drawee accepts the bill. The drawer sends the bill to bank for collection. In the books of drawer, bill sent to bank for collection account debit, bill sent for collection account debit या बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट. being bill sent to bank for collection. There will be no entry in the books of drawee. यहाँ पर ड्रॉवी के साथ कोई भी सरोकार नहीं है, तो यहाँ पर कुछ भी इफेक्ट ड्रॉवी के बुक्स में नहीं होगा. The bill is sent to the bank for collection and honored on due date. Bank charges debited by bank. ड्यू डेट पर बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन वाला बिल सेंड टू द बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन वाला बिल ऑनर हुआ और उसके लिए बैंक चार्जेस लग गए. तो व्हाट एंट्री द ड्रॉवर विल राइट? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट, बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल सेंड टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट और टू bill sent for collection account, being bill honored on due date. And in the books of drawee, bills payable account debit to cash and bank account, being our acceptance honored. Third, the bill is sent to bank for collection is dishonored on due date. Drawee's account debit to bill sent to bank for collection account, to bill sent for collection account, being bill sent for collection dishonored. In drawee books, bills payable account debit to drawer's account, being our acceptance dishonored. Bill sent to bank for collection is dishonored and noting charges paid. अब यहाँ पर नोटिंग चार्जेस लग गए, तो ड्रॉवी अकाउंट डेबिट अमाउंट ऑफ बिल प्लस नोटिंग चार्जेस, टोटल अमाउंट यहाँ पर डेबिट हो जाएगा ड्रॉवी के अकाउंट में. सपोज 10,000 का बिल था, 200 रुपये नोटिंग चार्जेस लग गए, तो ड्रॉवी के अकाउंट को कितने से डेबिट करेंगे? 10,200. 10,000 अमाउंट ऑफ बिल प्लस नोटिंग चार्जेस 200. टू बिल सेंट फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट 10,000, टू बैंक अकाउंट 200 रुपीज़. Being bill sent for collection dishonored and noting charges paid. And in drawee books it will be bills payable account debit 10,000, noting charges account debit 200, to drawers account 10,200, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. Again we will understand the entries in the books of drawer and drawee. You have to write down these entries properly and learn. When the bill is sent to bank for collection, bill sent for collection account debit to bills receivable account. In drawee books, no entry. Bill sent to bank for collection is honored on due date and bank charges debited by bank. Bank account debit, bank charges account debit to bill sent for collection account, being bill honored on due date. Drawee books, bills payable account debit to cash and bank account. Bill sent to bank for collection is dishonored on the due date. Drawee account debit to bill sent for collection account, being bill sent for collection dishonored. Drawee books, bills payable account debit to drawer's account, being our acceptance dishonored. Bill is sent to the bank for collection is dishonored and noting charges paid. Drawee's account debit amount of bill plus noting charges to bill sent for collection account to bank account. And drawee books, bills payable account debit, noting charges account debit to drawer's account, amount of bill plus noting charges, being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. Very important entries, very important for your exams. Based on this, we will study one question. Anita sold goods to Neeta for rupees 22,500. It is 22,500, not 33,500. On 8th March 2019, 22,500 और 8 मार्च 2019. On the same day, Anita draws a bill for rupees 22,500 on Neeta for 4 months, which was accepted by Neeta. On 4th April, एक महीने के बाद 2019, Anita sent the bill to bank for collection. A part, bill is honored on the due date and Anita paid bank charges rupees 200. Bill is dishonored on the due date. C part, bill is dishonored on the due date and noting charges paid rupees 150. Read the question twice, understand, frame the answer in your mind, and then start writing the entries in the books of drawer and drawee. First of all, Journal of Anita, March 8, 2019 date column. Anita account, Nita account debit to sales account. Nita account debit to sales account, being goods sold on credit. 22,500, 22,500 के गुड्स कैश में नहीं क्रेडिट में बेचे हैं. यहाँ पर आपको चेंज करना है, इट शुड बी क्रेडिट. बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू नीताज अकाउंट, बीइंग बिल ड्रॉन एंड एक्सेप्टेंस रिसीव्ड. 22,500 के लिए बिल एक्सेप्ट किया नीता ने. April 4, the bill is sent to bank for collection. What the drawer will write? Bill sent to bank for collection account debit to bills receivable account, या बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बिल्स रिसीवेबल अकाउंट भी आप लिख सकते हैं. बीइंग बिल सेंट टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन, बीइंग बिल सेंट टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन. देन on the due date, how to calculate the due date? 4 months from March 8, April, May, June and July. July 8 plus 3 days grace, 9, 10 and 11. 11 July, the bill is honored and bank charges rupees 200. 22,500 में से 200 रुपये बैंक चार्जेस लग जाएंगे और 22,300 रुपीज़ बैंक अकाउंट में जमा हो जाएंगे अनीता के. तो अनीता व्हाट शी विल राइट? बैंक अकाउंट डेबिट 22,300, बैंक चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट 200, टू बिल सेंड टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट 22,500. Being bill honored and bank charges paid. B part, on July 11 the bill is dishonored. Drawee account debit to bill sent to bank for collection account. Nita's account debit to bill sent to bank for collection account, being bill sent to the bank for collection account dishonored 22,500. C part, the bill is dishonored and noting charges अमाउंटेड टू रुपीज़ 150, 150 रुपये नोटिंग चार्जेस के. अब नीता से कितने पैसे लेना है? 22,500 बिल के और 150 रुपये नोटिंग चार्जेस के. नीताज अकाउंट डेबिट, ड्रॉवीज अकाउंट डेबिट 22,650, टू बिल सेंड टू बैंक फॉर कलेक्शन अकाउंट 22,500, टू कैश और बैंक अकाउंट 150. This way you have to pass the entries in the books of drawer. Being bill sent to bank for collection dishonored and noting charges paid. Once again we will repeat the same entries in the books of drawer. First, sales entry, Nita account debit to sales account, being goods sold on credit 22,500. March 8, bill is drawn and accepted by Nita, bill receivable account debit to Nita account 22,500, being bill drawn and accepted by Nita. The bill is sent to the bank for collection, bill sent to the bank for collection account debit to bills receivable account 22,500. First case, the bill sent to bank for collection account is honored and bank charges 200. Bank account debit 22,300, bank charges account debit 200, two bills sent to bank for collection account 22,500. In second part, the bill is dishonored. If the bill is dishonored, Nita account debit to bill sent to bank for collection account, being bill sent to bank for collection account dishonored. And C part, the bill is dishonored and noting charges paid rupees 150. Nita account debit 22,650 to bill sent to bank for collection account 22,500, to cash and bank account 150. Being bill sent to bank for collection is dishonored and noting charges paid. After this, we have to come to the journal entries in books of Drawee. Very important. 2019 March 8, purchases account debit to Anita's account being goods purchased on credit 22,500. वहाँ पर आप 22,500 करेंगे. March 8, bill is drawn and accepted by Nita. Anita's account debit to bills payable account. Anita's account debit to bills payable account 22,500. A part. The bill is honored on due date. बैंक जाकर अब नीता से पेमेंट कलेक्ट करेगा. नीता के पास बिल्स पेबल आ जाएगा और कैश चला जाएगा. बिल पेबल अकाउंट डेबिट टू कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट. टू कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट 22,500. The bill is dishonored on due date. What Nita will write? Bills payable account debit to Anita's account being our acceptance dishonored on due date. Bill payable account debit to Anita's account being our acceptance dishonored on due date. Bill is dishonored on due date and noting charges paid. बिल पेएबल कितने का है? 22,500. 22,500. बिल्स पेएबल अकाउंट डेबिट 22,500. नोटिंग चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट 150 to Anita's account 22,650 है. How much amount is to be given to Anita now? 22,650. Being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. Very simple. Once again you will pay attention here. नीता ने गुड्स परचेज किए कितने के? 22,500 के. परचेजेस अकाउंट डेबिट टू अनीता's अकाउंट 22,500. being per goods purchased on credit. She accepted the bill. Anita account debit to bills payable account. She honored the bill on due date. Bill is honored on due date. Bills payable account debit to cash and bank account 22,500. being bill honored on due date. Bill is dishonored on due date. Bill payable account debit to Anita account 22,500. being bill dishonored on due date. Bill is dishonored on due date and noting charges paid by Anita. What Nita will write? Bills payable account debit 22,500. Noting charges account debit 150 to Anita's account 22,650. being our acceptance dishonored and noting charges payable. This way you have to record all the entries in the books of Drawer and Drawee. In your notebook, what you have to write first? Meaning of bill sent to bank for collection. After writing the meaning and earning, draft entries, how to draft the entries in the books of Drawer and Drawee. Learn those entries properly, then draft the entries in books of Drawer and Drawee by studying the problem, the question which is given. The same thing you have to write, and the answer you have to write on 2 pages. Journal of Drawer, Journal of Drawee. So this completes all the 4 cases of honor and dishonor of a bill of exchange. The first case we studied was the bill is drawn, accepted by the drawee and retained by the drawer till due date. The retained bill is honored on due date. The retained bill is dishonored on due date. The retained bill is dishonored on due date and noting charges paid by drawer. Then in the second case we studied was the bill is discounted with the bank. Meaning of discounting of a bill. The bill is drawn and accepted by the drawee. The drawer discounts the bill with his bank. On the due date, the discounted bill is honored. Second part, the discounted bill is dishonored. Third part, the discounted bill is dishonored and noting charges paid by bank. Then we studied the endorsement of a bill of exchange. What is endorsement of a bill of exchange? Meaning journal entries in books of Drawer and Drawee. The bill is endorsed. The endorsed bill is honored on due date. Second part, the endorsed bill is dishonored on due date. Third part, the endorsed bill is dishonored on due date and noting charges paid by endorsee. Fourth case, bill is sent to the bank for collection, meaning journal entries in books of drawer and drawee. Bill is sent to the bank for collection, honored on due date. Bill is sent to bank for collection, dishonored on due date. Bill is sent to the bank for collection, dishonored on due date, and noting charges paid. This completes all the 4 cases of honor of a bill of exchange and dishonor of a bill of exchange and the noting charges paid. With this, we complete the lecture for the day. Thank you.